This is gorgeous. The white on white. Oh, wow. Wow. Carbon hood. That's sexy. Fucking. No fucking way. Carbon fiber hood on a K car? Hell yeah. Even got the zebra stripe seats. That's fucking sick. Acura NSX. The Hondas look so much better though. This is fucking sweet. Wow. I don't give a fuck about the McLaren. Look at this bitch. Look at the carbon.
Yeah, okay, you can call me dumbass, but I would take that.
I mean, yeah, that's faster, totally, but this is sexier. Fucking Integra Type R's. Then you got this basic McLaren right here, totally. BMW M5. Nah, it is a nice ass McLaren though. It is really nice. You don't see these here, ever, very often. I really like the green stitching and accents on it. 675 LT. It's pretty sweet. Got the Datsun and Beamer. NSXs are definitely